Hello and welcome to this tutorial of my program. This program is basically split in two parts, which are the stock control and the point of sale. This video will take us through all the functionalities of the system. First thing a user does is to register. Here the user will register by entering his information in the space provided. When he is done, he presses create and the user is created. If a user forgets his password, he can easily retrieve it by clicking here and entering the username here. After he enters the username, he clicks on the send button and an email is sent to the email of this user. The next thing is to log in. The administrator's account will be used so that all functionalities can be used. After the login is successful, the main page is opened where the administrator will be able to access the stock control, which is found on the top of the page. Stock control is very dynamic and the administrator is able to add, edit and delete brands, product types, supplier delivery types and user types. Product pictures can also be added into the system. Starting with brands, the admin can add a brand by clicking on the add button. Here, the user will enter the new brand. The administrator can also edit this brand. He will first enter the ID that he will edit. Press the edit button and enter the new name and press the submit button to edit the product brand. The user is also able to delete a product brand. Here he will enter the ID, press the delete button and the product brand is deleted. Product types can also be edited and deleted. This can be done by pressing the add button. Here, a product type will be added. Product types can also be edited. This can be done by pressing the edit button here, entering the ID of the product type, pressing the edit button and entering the new product type. Deleting a product types can be done by choosing the ID, which is 11. Pressing the delete button and the product type is deleted. The administrator can also add, edit and delete delivery types. To add a delivery type, he presses the add button and enters the new delivery type and presses the add button to edit. To edit a delivery type, he presses the edit button, enters the ID and clicks on the edit button to enter the new delivery type. To delete a delivery type, a user can click on the delete button, enter the ID and click the delete button and the delivery type is deleted. User types are the roles of the employees in the company. A user type can be added by entering his name in the user type field here and pressing the add button to add him. User types can also be edited. This can be done by choosing their ID, entering it here and entering the new user type in the field and pressing the submit button to edit it. User types can also be deleted by clicking the button, entering the field the ID and pressing the delete button. Pictures of the product are needed when entering a new product in the system. A picture can be added by clicking on this button here, adding a Samsung image, which is also here, clicking here, and with that the product picture is entered. To delete a product picture, press delete, choose a picture from the list, click open and it will be deleted. Please note that these functions are only available for the administrator. Moving on to another step in the control system, the users and the administrator can add, edit and or delete products, suppliers, customers and users. Editing and deleting products and users are only available for the administrator. To add a supplier in the system, the user will fill in this form where he will input all the necessary information about the supplier. After filling out this form, the supplier is added. If the information of the supplier is changed, the supplier can be edited by entering his ID in this field, pressing the edit button and changing any field that he wants. When he is ready, press the edit button and the supplier is edited. If a supplier is no longer needed, he can be deleted by entering his ID in this field, pressing the delete button, and he is deleted. Products will be needed for the system to work properly, as this is mainly a point of sale system. To add a product, the information about this product is filled in this form. After filling out the necessary information of the product, it is added by clicking the Add button. If the product specifications or other information is changed, this can be edited by entering the ID into this field, pressing the Edit button, and editing any field that you want. And when he is done, he presses the Edit button and he is ready. Products can also be deleted. This can be done by clicking here, entering the ID, and pressing the delete button, and the product is deleted. Customers that will come to buy products from the company will have their information recorded too. To add a new customer, the Add button will be clicked and the customer information will be entered in this form. After filling out this form, the customer is added. Customers can also have their information edited by entering the ID into this field, pressing the Edit button, and editing any field that the user wants. And when he is ready, he presses the Edit button and he is edited. Customers can also be deleted. This can be done by entering their ID into this field and pressing the delete button. Users in the system can only be edited and deleted by the administrator. To edit user information, the Edit button will be clicked, the user ID will be entered here, and the Edit button will be clicked. Here we have the information where we can edit everything we have, and if the user wants to change his password, the administrator will first enter the old password here, then type the new password in this field and retype the password for security reasons. An email will be sent to the user informing him that his password has been changed, and when the administrator is ready, the user is edited. Users can also be deleted. This is done by clicking here, entering the ID, and pressing the delete. And that is all about the stock control. The second part of the system is the point of sale. Here the user is able to create sales orders, create supply orders, also send the supplier reorder reminders, and also view the customers, suppliers and products. The administrator will also be able to create an audit report. To create a sales order, the customer name is selected from the list, and then for each product that the customer is going to buy, the quantity is set. When he is ready, he presses the Done button and a receipt will be generated. This receipt will be able to be printed for the customer so that he can have a hard copy of the receipt and the transaction is complete. To create a supply order, first the user is asked if this is a new product, which will redirect him to the Add Product function, which we saw earlier, or existing product, which will direct him to this page. Here he will choose the supplier name, which is making the supply order, and then for each product that the supplier brought with him, the quantity is set, and after he is finished, he presses the Done button and the transaction is successful. Reminders can also be sent to suppliers to inform them that the company needs to restock a certain product. To do this, a product is chosen from this form. Here we can see that we have 2 items and we will choose this item, and then we click the Send Reminders button, and here we will see a template where the email body can be seen here, and the user will be able to edit it. Here we will enter this, and the send email will be sent, and an email will be sent to the supplier. Also, customers, suppliers, and products can also be viewed for reference. Suppliers are these, where you will see the list of suppliers here. The customer list, where you can see all the customers of the system, and the product list. In this form, we have also a search functionality where we can enter, for example, iMac and search for iMacs, where we will find one. And also, if we want to view all the products, we click on this button and this will show us all the products. The administrator also has the rights to make an audit report. First, he will choose the ID of the user, and then he clicks on the show report, and the report is generated. Here we can see the report, and this is the report of the administrator. How many times has logged in, the total, the last logged in time, when he logged out, and the total time he spent in the system. This tutorial has shown you all the functionalities that the system is able to do. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching this video.